Hi there, this is Marisa from DigitalScrapbook.com, and I am going to try to create a layout with you here today. If this kind of thing interests you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That helps let me know that you like this kind of content. So today I have here this layout that I already created. I created this layout probably 10 years ago, and I've just been kind of going back and redoing some of these old layouts, so I thought it might be kind of fun to do one of those here today. So this is what I'm starting with, and it looks a little symmetrical to me right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to start just kind of deleting stuff here. I don't like these big squares. They're too big and they're too symmetrical. All right, so they're gone now. So now we have these two kind of squares here. So I have this background paper, which I kind of like. I'm just going to lock it right now so that I can use my mouse and just kind of move these chunks of things around. Oh, I've got that one paper selected too. Let's see here. Now let's get this one here. I don't know. I think I might have to remove these squares back here. Bye-bye. See you later. Okay. So now we've got, I like a little overlapping here. Okay, so this is, we have by night and by day. Okay, I'm kind of liking this. And now, oops, we missed that text over there. Let's see here, do we like it in the middle? Do we like it down here? Maybe down here. All right, so this is good. Now I have this kind of like blue, this blue and yellow stuff going on. I don't know if I really like that. So usually when I scrapbook, I don't have much of a plan going on. So we'll see what happens here. I'm just going to see if there's anything new and exciting. I've got that hot pink umbrella in all of these pictures. Why don't we just type in pink and see what we get? Got pink, and I'm going to filter here by bundles. All right. Well, this looks like they've got some good hot pink in here. Let's check out what's happening in there. Anything else good? This one, this pink and green. I kind of need like pink and tan. Pink and tan. This has some good tan in it. All right, let's see here. I'm going to see these papers. Let's go. These look like we got some good papers in here. Oh, I like a lot of these. This one's good. These grapes, no one will be able to tell that they're grapes. All right, so let's go ahead and download. All right. And let's pull these up here. All right, I got some old stuff. Let's get rid of this old stuff. Oh, I had some of these black and white papers here, but you know what? Maybe we'll just go ahead and use those already. I guess the question is, should we keep this music paper in the background? It's kind of random, but it's not the worst. Should we just put polka dots back there while we're waiting? Oh, that's too small. I forgot I shrunk those earlier. So that's going to be too small. Let's go back and get a... Can never have too many polka dots on your page. Let's see here. This is the one that I always use. This one from Rachel. It's a perfect polka dot paper. And in here, I think maybe we got enough brown papers already going on that are slowly downloading. We got some nice bows and things in here. You know what? I think I'm just going to go ahead and download that. All right. Okay, we're back here. I just paused for a minute while all that stuff was downloading, and now I'm going to come back here and try to decide. I do like this kind of splatty paper. Is that too exciting back there? Let's try turning the opacity down a little bit. Well, that's good. Maybe we can put one of these brown papers back here. All right, now we're getting somewhere. I like that. Okay, now all this yellow stuff is driving me nuts here. Okay, we gotta get rid of it here and put in some pink. Clip that there. Let's get this one out of the way. Here we've got polka dots, always a good choice. All right, so we've got this tag. It's not going to work for me now. I got too many polka dots. Let's see here. Will this be too much of the same color there? Let's see here. What could we put here? I can't put stripes. That almost works there. I like this as bonjour, but I don't like the color. So let's come over here. Where are my adjustments? Here they are. Hue and saturation. Okay, I'm going to clip that to just this thing here, and I'm just going to drag this around and see if we can get something better. Tone down the saturation there. Let's see, do we want it kind of pink, or do we want it kind of brown? There we go, I like that. You know what, that worked kind of well. Let's see if we can also adjust this tag here. So I'm just choosing this one here, hue saturation. And then I'm just clipping it to the item there. And then I'm just kind of dragging it. Oh, a nice light pink. Okay, that'll work. All right, so then we've got this old text here. Let's see if we can change the color on that. Let's see. Oh, now we got to find a new font too. All right, let's make that one white. This one up here needs to be black. Sorry, my color picker was off screen. There we go, so black. And then something I often use here, I have some typewriter fonts. I think that'll do well. And you know, these don't really need to be on 2 lines. So let's move those. Move by night, and then here we have the loop by day. All right. Okay, so let's see, do we want to move this stuff in a little bit so it's in there? So that one's coming out over there. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. I need to go, let's see, maybe put another layer back here. So I just want my shape tool, put that down like that, center it. Oh, these ones got kind of moved here. Let's fix those. All right, give that a shadow. Let's see here. I've got, can't put polka dots there. I think we need like a white paper. So let's see here, white paper. I use white papers all the time, but I never keep them downloaded. It's easier to just come and download it again than to try to keep track of it somewhere on my computer. Hi there. Sorry, the sound cut out on the video I was recording, so I am just going to go ahead and speed the end of this video up a little bit. I'm basically just placing my elements here. I have most of the things set up. I'm just getting this paper here set up in the background just the way I want it, and then I'm going to mostly be pulling elements in from, I'm going to show you here, these collage favorite kits that I have. So I have 1 and I have 2, and I'll show you where number 2 is available on DigitalScrapbook.com. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day. Enjoy the end of the video.